Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. And if it is your first time hearing this voice, then my name is Gigo, and today's video is all about the total breakdown cost of this, I will say, an apartment from ground floor to this state. But for the sake of those who are seeing this project for the first time, these are some of the specs of this 7-bedroom apartment with 3 floors sitting on the land size of 40 feet by 57 feet. The ground floor has 4 bedrooms. The first floor has 2 bedrooms, and then the second floor, which consists of the penthouse, has just 1 bedroom, which is coming up soon. Every level or every floor has its own living room, a kitchen, and a guest washroom. So now the big question is, are you ready for today's episode? If you are, then kindly please do hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Let's hit 5K by the end of this year, and let's go! So the last cost breakdown of this project, which was in September 2022, from ground floor level till the first floor lintel level and the hidden roof gutters, was 17,208 US dollars, which is equivalent to 172,322 Ghana cedis, which includes the building permit as well. So if you are interested to know what went into this project till this state, I will put the link in the description box from the digging of trenches till this stage, so that you just, if you really want to know how many blocks, how many cement, and how many iron rods we use, those information are in those videos. So I'll put the link down there so that you check it out if you're interested. Thank you. So now let's get into the total cost breakdown of the current decking, the staircase, and also the front pillars construction, which was in November 2022. So now we begin with the materials. We start with iron rods. We bought 12 mm, 2 tons, which 1 ton was 6,500. So the two making 13,000 Ghana cedis. We bought 14 mm, 1 ton. 1 ton was 6,500. And then we bought binding wires. We bought 4 rows, and a row cost 1,800 Ghana cedis, sorry. So the total making 400 Ghana cedis. We bought 3 by 8 rods. We bought 40 pieces, and one piece cost 14 Ghana cedis. So the total making 560 Ghana cedis. We bought 20 mm. We bought 10 pieces, and one piece cost 149 Ghana cedis, so making a total of 1,490 Ghana cedis. We bought extra 12 mm for the staircase, and we bought 18 pieces for the staircase, and one piece cost 65 Ghana cedis, so making a total of 1,170 Ghana cedis. So this is for the iron rods. So coming to the wood, you guys know I got a lot of wood for my big man, which I've been using throughout the process, but some are getting old, so we also bought some woods, some extra wood. We bought some beam plates. We bought extra board for the sideboarding. We bought two by 4 woods, and the total wood that we bought was 2,530, yeah, which was really nothing comparing to the work which was done. So we bought a nail, and we bought 3 inches and also 4 inches. In total was 6 box, and one box was like 100 Ghana cedis. So the total making 600 Ghana cedis. Coming to the electricals, we bought some conduits, pipes, and some circular box, which cost 1,680 Ghana cedis. The plumbing, we bought some pipes and some accessories, which cost 1,820. And then coming to the cement, we bought 115 bags of cement. One bag was the 100 Ghana cedis, including the transportation and everything. So the total was like 11,500. We bought extra 8 bags of cement, which was used for the columns and block laying. So we bought 8 bags, and at that time we bought the bags for 85 Ghana cedis. So that was like a week difference, and you could see the rate, the rate at which the inflation is crazy. So that 8 bag cost us 680 Ghana cedis. So and also we bought sand and stones, which was 4,200 Ghana cedis. So the total cost for the materials is 46,130 Ghana cedis. So this is just for the materials which we used. So coming to the labor, the carpentry work for the whole work was 4,700 Ghana cedis, which consists of the staircase, the pillars, and then the decking itself. Steel bending for the whole work, including the staircase, cost 5,150 Ghana cedis. The concrete casting, for the whole project is 4,200. The plumbing and the electrical works for the whole decking was 800 Ghana cedis. So making a sum total of 14,850 Ghana cedis for the labor work, for the whole work done on the third level. So we're putting all together. So if you have the labor and the materials together, we get a total sum of 60,980 Ghana cedis, which is equivalent to 4,517 US dollars. So this is the total cost for the whole project done on the third level, and also all the beams and the columns you see with the project on the third level, and the staircase as well. So let me know what you think about this total cost. Is it too much? Is it too less? Comment down below. Let's have a conversation. So the total cost for the whole project, which you see on your screen now, is 233,303 Ghana cedis, which is equivalent to 21,725 US dollars. This is how much I've spent on this project so far till this date. We started this project in January 2021 when the dollar was $5.80, and today the dollar is around $13.50. So inflation has played a key here, a major role here with this kind of prices. I won't spend this same amount of money if the dollar was like, let's say, 8 or 10. So we have to take into consideration when we want to build. There is no good time or timing to build. The time is now. It's either you gain or you lose, but for sure the dollar is not going back. So this is the time to begin with your project. This is the time to start something. And I know most of you will be comparing this price to other houses on the market. And I just want to say that this is just the beginning. It's 21,000 with this project now, but we still have to do plastering. We still have to do electrical, tiling, and plumbing, and furniture, and all those things. So my target is maybe 100,000 to finish with this project, but let's see how it will go since inflation is still playing key here. So I just want to mention this so that you don't compare and think this is really like super cheaper, because we are still building, and the prices are still going high. So this is it for the cost breakdown. And if you want to follow this project, I have made a playlist for it called the Pram Pram Project. You can check it out. It has all the details, all the information from digging of trenches till this date. So, and we also have more coming. As at now, we've ordered like 1,500 blocks, which we believe is going to complete the whole project. I mean, like the whole block work project. So, which is coming up soon. We are left with buying the cement. I think the contractor said we need 50 bag of cement, so that is also coming up. And then we're gonna buy sand and stones, because we don't have any. We used all, so that section is also coming. And yeah, so this is it. And I must say that the journey is not easy, and it has not been easy, but there's joy in the journey. And the joy is that, like, I designed this place the way I want to live. So anytime I walk by or I get into the building, even though it is uncompleted, I still have the joy, of working of what I have created and seeing it coming to life. What I put on paper is like it's a reality now, and I can walk in there, imagine how I want to live and how I want to do my stuff. So that is the joy, and that is what is keeping us going. And that's why we are also doing this, just for the joy and for the fun of it. And trust me, if you should have asked me to save $21,000 in 2 years, it would have been a big challenge. But here we are, one step at a time, a dollar to a dollar, and then a dollar. This is what we've created, what this amount. So if you are thinking of waiting to save to get to 4,000 before you start, 5,000 before you start, it is a big lie. It is a trick. Just send what you have, spend what you have on the project, and don't squeeze yourself too much, because sometimes you can put in everything and you don't see nothing happening. You only see blocks. As you can see now, it's 21,000, but the only thing you see now are blocks. The next vision I'm having is to do the plastering, then at least I don't see the blocks anymore. That makes me feel that I'm in the next level. And then we're going to put a white paint on it, and these are the little things that gives you the joy. So don't squeeze yourself too much. Just send what you have, and with time everything will play right. So this is my advice to you, especially to the young ones. I know most of you can spend like 21,000 in, let's say, in a half year or so. I just want you to know that this is what you can do with 21,000, or even, let's say, because of inflation, let's say maybe 25,000. This is what you can do with it. I know it can buy a car, it can buy some clothes, some good watch, some good shoes, but hey, if you secure yourself first, the rest are all plus. So this is my advice to youth out there. It's possible, you can do it. And thanks for spending your time with me till this far. The journey still continues, and I'll see you in my next episode. Don't forget to like this video, share to your friends to motivate someone, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get do it.